Welcome. In today's quick guide, you'll learn how to edit your bio on the X app step by step. Whether you want to update your introduction, add something new, or simply refresh your personal description, this tutorial will help you do it fast and easily. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make the change. Once you're on your home screen, look toward the top left corner and tap your profile picture. This will instantly take you to your profile page where all your details like your name, handle, bio, and photos are displayed. On your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. Tap it. This is where you can modify details such as your display name, profile picture, header image, location, website, and of course your bio. Now, tap on your current bio. The old text will appear in an editable box. Go ahead and type your new one. You can introduce yourself, share what you do, highlight your interests, or add a personal touch that reflects who you are. Keep in mind that your bio is one of the first things people see when they visit your profile, so make it short, clear, and engaging. Once you're done writing your new bio, double check for spelling or grammar issues to keep it polished and professional. When everything looks good, tap on the Save button in the top right corner. And that's it. Your updated bio is now live on your profile. You can go back and view your changes to make sure everything appears exactly how you want it. Editing your bio on X is a simple update that can make your profile stand out and share your personality with followers. Refresh it anytime you have new achievements, interests, or information to share. Thanks for watching.